Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. So today we're going to go through Vlookup. Vlookup is definitely one of those things that some people find a little tricky to get their head around, so I'm hoping to clear that up today. Certainly if you are just starting Excel, you might not understand how all of the things are going to play together on this one. This is certainly one of the most used Excel functions there is. But yeah, it's the next level. It's not as easy as some of those other basic ones. So let's get into it. Okay, so what is a VLOOKUP? A VLOOKUP is going to iterate down a list of data and then return an index across in a table, however many rows you've got. And that's basically it. It's going to find a match for what you've said. Hey, go look this piece of data. Hey, go look this person up and then return me their age in this example. Right, so you're going to need a couple of things. The first thing you're going to need is you're going to need to know what to look up. So in this case, let's look up person 2. The second thing you're going to need to know is the data table. So basically where you're going to go look for this data. Third thing is how far across do I go, right? What's my index of rows to go, of columns to go across, sorry. And then the fourth thing is, well, do you want it to sort of match or definitely match what it is you're after? I have never used a sort of match, ever. I'm sure there will be an example out there where you would use it, but I've never used it, and I don't expect that you probably will either. All right, so match type, and I'll explain that a bit better when we get to it. But this is usually the one that throws people out. They don't understand what they're doing with this particular bit of information. All right, so the formula is easy, right? Vlookup, right? So Vlookup, vertical lookup. The value I need to go find, which we've decided is person 2. The table where I'm looking for it, which is this range up here. The number of indexes I want to go across, because it's a vertical lookup, it will go horizontally across. In this case, I just want to go across 2. 1 being the first row, first column. So column 1, column 2, column 3, etc. And then the approximate match or exact match, I always go with exact match, right? So false, because we want it to return to us person 2, not something that looks like person 2. And that will be your lookup. So it's gone vertically down the list, found person 2 because we told it to look exactly for person 2, and then gone across. Well, this is column 1, column 2. So it's gone across and found us the age. 1, column 2. So that's another thing that throws people out. A lot of people are used to, well, the mindset of how many columns do I want to go across, and then they forget to count in the first column, because most things usually start at an index of 0. This one and HLOOKUP, they start at an index of 1. It's just the way it is. In case you wanted to return the same value that you're looking for, can I find person 2 in the list, right? So VLOOKUP, can I find person 2 in my range of data? I only want to go across 1, which is really none, and exact match. So it will return to you, yes, I found it in the list, and here's the exact value that you were looking for. You do use that, but I think that's probably what throws people out a bit. All right, so that's VLOOKUPs. If you liked my video, hit like. If you didn't like it, hit dislike. I appreciate any comments and feedback you have down below. And as always, if you want to see more videos from me, please hit subscribe. All right, bye for now.